Today I'm going to share with you a very simple, easy and really nutritious vegetable popular in northern India. It's called aloo methi or potatoes and fenugreek leaves. And fenugreek leaves are really beneficial for us because they are full of nutrition, iron, they help control blood sugar, and they have a great flavor as well. So let's go ahead and get cooking. We are going to use pure mustard oil for making our potato and fenugreek dish today called aloo methi. So really quick and simple process, and one of the healthiest dishes that you will ever come across. Here in my pan I have 2 tablespoons of mustard oil heating up. If you're using mustard oil, you have to make sure that it's hot enough. Once it's hot enough, then you turn down the heat and then you cook your vegetables. The reason being that if you don't heat it enough, then it leaves that very pungent smell and your dish will not come out properly. So make sure that it's heated enough thoroughly. When you see the smoke coming out, then you just turn down the heat and let it cool down a little bit before you start cooking. So our oil is nice and hot enough. We'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. They are spluttering right away. We'll go ahead and add 1 small chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, minced. You can use garlic paste as well, and we'll fry this together. And in our onions, garlic and cumin seeds, we'll go ahead and add our spices. Very simple, nothing complicated. Salt, turmeric and red chili powder. All should be as per taste. We are adding about 2 teaspoons here. Turmeric, that's haldi, half a teaspoon. And red chili powder as per your taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon here. Stir all these spices along with onions. Give your onions 2-3 minutes. And as soon as they start changing color, we'll go ahead and add our other 2 main ingredients. And those 2 ingredients are fenugreek leaves, that's methi. I'm using about 2 cups here, and 2 small chopped potatoes. Now if you're wondering why they are in water, just so that they don't turn brown while my onions are cooking. Onions have started to change color. You can brown them more if you like. Fenugreek leaves might look like they are a lot, but when they get cooked, it's going to be a small portion. They wilt very quickly, and they're gonna cook along with potatoes here. Stir everything well together. And now you have a choice. You can add your tomatoes right at this point. If you add your tomatoes right now, the potatoes will take a little longer to cook, or you can always add your tomatoes in the end as well, like 2-3 minutes before your vegetables are going to get done. I like to have nice tender tomatoes along with potatoes, so I'm just gonna add it right now. And we'll cover it and let it cook. Once the potatoes are done, they are tender, we'll go ahead and add our garam masala and it will be ready to be served. So just cover it and give it 7-8 minutes so that everything cooks nicely together. And you don't need to add water because fenugreek leaves have a lot of water. Potatoes are tender, so our sabji is done. Now we'll just go ahead and add the last finishing touch. That is adding garam masala, half a teaspoon. And just before serving, you have an option of adding like cilantro leaves or tablespoon of lemon juice for that extra tanginess. But this is perfect. Go ahead, enjoy it with a parantha, with roti, as a side dish with naan or rice. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Looking forward to your comments, and thank you for watching Eat East Indian channel.